This is ZTO Hypershift, and on the Mustang is a Concord Grape base. You know how we show you guys those speed shapes at the end of the videos where we take whatever pearl we're working with and show it to you over different base colors? Well, we seem to notice that you guys really like the effect that we got over Concord Grape, so we wanted to take it full scale this week. And I think ZTO might be a very interesting color to put on. The reason is, look at the color profile of the ZTO. It is like a rose, a gold, and this really intense green at the end. So what we're gonna do is straight to the point, 5 gram per gallon load of ZTO. We're gonna put that right over the Concord. Gabe, any predictions on this one?
I think it's just gonna look awesome.
It may. This is one of those ones where we both have the feeling where it's going to either blow us away and look incredible or just completely fail. There is a sick gold oil slick on top right here. Look at that. I can't wait to get this mixed up. So this is a small particle for a hypershift, but a very intense color effect. Super strong. It already looks gorgeous. Now, any more than 5 grams per gallon, this ZTO is going to eat that Concord Grape alive. You're not even going to notice it underneath. So the key here is to make sure that the Concord Grape comes up underneath the pearl and plays a role. So let me show it to you over the old stick of truth here. It's 5 grams per gallon, but still a very potent pearl. So even 5 grams is going to be pushing it. So you get a little bit of this, and then it comes into that. See that green that pops? So this over Concord Grape should be awesome. Gabe, you ready to roll?
I'm ready.
Let's go. Alright guys, we're all done with the project, and these are some of my favorite videos based simply on curiosity. You take a base color, you take a pearl, you wonder if they would look good being combined together, and you go straight to full scale. I cannot wait to show you guys what this car looks like. We're gonna take it outside right now, and you know what to do. Take a good look at it, leave a comment below, and rate it for me 1 through 5. Let me know if you love it or if you don't. If you wanna change the color of your own wheels, emblems, or whole car, head straight to DipYourCar.com. You know, we have a ton of kits and a ton of colors, and they're all do-it-yourself friendly. Gabe and I love the way this one came out. I hope you do too. We'll see you on the next video.